Okay, last time I could not get the before and after pseudo-selectors working. So this time I'm going to try and use them and see if I have more success. I think all you've got to do is go ampersand after content equals that, nothing, width 20px, height 20px. Background green, and it doesn't show up. Display block. Okay, cool, that shows up. And if we wanted two of them, we could go and before and after. Good. And if we went position absolute. Okay, interesting. And we did just the right one. We go after right 0, and it's all the way over there because we need to make a div relative. Cool, relative. Yes, that is what we want. That is what we want. So then if we went top, it's 50%. After has a translate of 50% minus 50%. That's better. There we go. And before, we just do a translate on that one. Translate minus 50% and minus 50%. There you go. There we go. We're getting there. Body. Make it this nice yellowy colour. And display flex so we can center it. Let's just use margin auto here. Auto. Nice. Let's turn on diff mode and set the width and height. So 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. 160 looks good. Height is 110, 120. And let's set it to this nice blue colour. Blue or green? Blue, I think. Cool. And then the width and height of these are going to be 40, 50, let's turn on diff actually. 50, 60, 70, 80. Looks like the width and height needs to be 80. We could use border radius to make them more curved, but I found a better solution. What we can do is use a radial gradient. So background on the before is a radial gradient, and we want to make this nice blue colour, and let's make it this nice yellow colour. Cool, obviously that's bad, but we can use colour stops to go 0, halfway is 40 pixels, and the colour stop there of 0, and instead of that colour we're going to use a transparent. There you go. And then on the after as well, it's going to have a radial gradient that stops at 20. Yeah, close enough. Then it's going to use this nice colour here. It's going to start at 0 and go to 40 pixels. There you go. Nice. And then we just need this final thing on the end, so let's use a P tag for that. P tag. And tell you what, we're going to go div comma P and paste in margin, background, so we can get rid of margin out of there. And then in our P selector, let's just make it red so we can see it. And it doesn't show up because we don't have a width or height, obviously. 20 pixels, height 20 pixels. Why doesn't that show in the middle? Because we're not displaying flex on our div display flex. There you go. Nice. So then the height is going to be, I don't know, 50, 40, 30, 40. Let's use 40. Width is going to be 200. And Z index 1. There you go. That's better. I'm just going to translate it by 150 pixels. Nope. 160. I'll make it this nice blue colour instead. There you go. Close enough. Let's call that done. Ooh, probably not 100, but 100%. Cool.